If you live on a farm, one of the things you have to deal with all the time are predators. And we know predators are around, but we may not always see them. So if you want to find out what kind of predators on your place and maybe affecting your chickens, or you're just curious about what's hanging around, here's an easy way to find that out. So what we're making here is a scent station. And what a scent station is a place we're going to create that'll hopefully attract predators to it. And then we'll be able to see what's been coming here. So right now, Christy is just raking an area of bare dirt clean, trying to get all the debris and stuff out of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but she's going to try to get as much as she can out of it. And then that'll take us to step 2 of a scent station, and that's putting out the flour. So just using all-purpose flour that we get at the grocery store, Christy's just going to make a hula hoop size circle of flour, and then she's going to make the outline first, then we'll come back and put more flour on top of it. So the idea is we're just going to make on top of the dirt, we're just going to make an area with just nothing but flour on there. So as Christy finishes up putting flour on this, really the trick is just to try to cover up all the dirt. Now you don't have to put it on super even in the beginning. You can always go back and smooth it out with your rake. So now using the rake, she's just going to lightly drag it across just to get the flour spread out good and even all over the station. Now the final step is we got to come up with something stinky to put in the middle of the trap. And in this case, we're going to use cat food. And what this cat food will do will attract predators. Raccoons, possums, coyotes, bobcats, whatever is going to be in this area the next couple of nights will come by to investigate the smelly stuff. And when they do, they'll step in the flour and it'll give us a good imprint of their tracks. And so in the morning, we'll come back, see if anything's been here overnight, and hopefully we'll start us off identifying what the tracks are. So it's the next morning. Now I'm walking up on this scent station we made last night, and it looks like something got into it. So we got all kinds of tracks here. I see raccoon tracks and possum tracks and something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to examine the tracks here. I'm going to take a few pictures, then I'll take those pictures back and compare them against some reference notes I have, or some books or websites, and figure out what all has been here. So stay tuned and we'll see what we come up with.